and welcome to the Irene Consulting Firm Podcast, where we simplify money and empower small business owners and top individuals to take control of their finances. In today's episode, we're diving into a powerful topic: automate your finances even as a beginner. If you've ever felt overwhelmed managing your money or unsure where to start, this conversation will show you how to build financial systems that run in the background, so you can focus on living, not stressing. Joining Irene today is Marcus Taylor, a certified financial planner who will break down the exact steps you can take today to start automating your financial life. Let's get started.
Marcus, welcome to the podcast. Let's start here. Why do you believe automation is so powerful when it comes to money management, especially for beginners?
Thanks, Irene. I believe automation removes the friction that causes people to procrastinate. When you automate your finances, you're no longer relying on willpower. You're building wealth by default. Most beginners struggle not because they don't care, but because they're overwhelmed. Automation solves that.
And what are the first 3 things you think every beginner should automate?
Great question. 1. Automated savings. Set up a percentage to go into a savings account every time you get paid. 2. Automated bill pay. For essentials like rent, phone, and utilities, it prevents missed payments. 3. Automated investing. Even small amounts into a Roth IRA or a robo-advisor account can grow big over time.
Let's say someone has a regular income, like a freelancer. Can they still automate?
Absolutely, yes. Instead of automating by date, they automate by income received. Use tools like Capital or Inab that trigger savings every time money hits your account. You don't need consistency in income to build consistency in systems.
Can you walk us through a simple beginner system? What tools or accounts should be involved?
Of course. Here's a quick setup. 1 main checking account. 1 high-yield savings account, Ally, Capital One 360, etc. To a robo-advisor like Betterment or Wealthfront. Then link it all with a tool like Plaid, Inab, or Mint. Have your paycheck split to savings and bills right away. Set investment auto-transfers every 2 weeks. It works quietly behind the scenes.
What mistakes do beginners make when trying to automate?
1. Automating too soon without a budget. 2. Forgetting to check back and adjust as income or expenses change. 3. Over-relying on apps but never learning the why behind their money behavior.
Running a small or medium business is no easy task, and managing your finances shouldn't hold you back. At Irene Consulting Firm, we help small and medium businesses save time and grow profits. With expert bookkeeping, payroll, and financial analysis services, we simplify your finances so you can focus on success. Operating across all 50 states, we're your trusted partner for smarter financial management. Ready to grow your business? Contact us today at 404-399-6099 or visit www.ireneconsultingfirm.com.
What about using credit cards and automation, good or bad?
If you're disciplined and pay in full each month, credit cards can be part of automation. You can set them to autopay from your checking. But if you're prone to overspending, skip them until you've built stronger habits.
A lot of people say, I'll automate when I make more money. What's your response?
That mindset is the biggest trap. Automation is not about how much you earn, it's about controlling the flow of what you already have. Start small. Even $5 a week saved automatically builds the habit muscle.
What's one success story from your clients who started automating early?
One client, Maria, started with just $25 per paycheck going into savings. She never increased it, but after 2 years, she had $1,300 saved without even noticing. That $1,300 helped her cover an emergency when she lost her job. That's the power of automation.
Marcus, thanks for your time. Final advice for anyone watching who still feels intimidated?
Start ugly. Don't wait for the perfect plan. Pick one thing to automate today, even if it's just rounding up purchases into savings. Progress beats perfection every time. Thank you.
Wow, that wraps up today's episode, Automate Your Finances Even as a Beginner. Special thanks to Marcus Taylor for showing us how simple tools can lead to financial freedom. We hope you're walking away with practical steps and renewed confidence to make your money work for you on autopilot. If you found value today, be sure to subscribe to the Irene Consulting Firm channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok for more financial education and tools. Thanks for watching. And remember, small, consistent systems create big financial freedom over time. See you in the next episode.
Looking for motivational apparel and essentials to kickstart 2025? Visit my Etsy shop, Irene Biz Essentials. Simply go to www.etsy.com/shop/Irene Biz Essentials and grab your favorites today. Link in the description.